Good morning, dear children. How are you? Hope all of you fine. Doing well at home. I am Deepa GS. Hereafter I'll teach you social studies. 9743 773491. It is my contact number. You may call me anytime for any doubt. Okay? Dear children, let us revise some units of previous class. Unit number 1 is our planet Earth. In this you have learnt that our home is Earth. Earth is our home.
Dear children, the Earth is known as the planet of life. It is blessed with natural resources like land and water. The 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, 1/4 is covered with land. Dear children, what is the shape of the Earth? Yes, the Earth is spherical in shape and slightly flat at the top and bottom.
Children, Ferdinand Magellan, he proved that the earth is round in shape. Children, in previous class you have learnt about globes, a map, oceans and continents. Isn't it, children? Yes. Then tell me, what is a globe? A globe is a model of the earth. It tells us how the oceans, continents and countries are placed on earth's surface. What is a map? A map is a drawing of the earth on flat surface or on paper. The book of map is called an atlas. The book of maps is called an atlas. Children, what are oceans? Oceans are large water bodies on the earth's surface. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. Children, what is a continent? A continent is a large area of land on Earth's surface. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent in the world and Australia is the smallest continent in the world. India is located in Asia continent. What is solar system, children? Sun and all the smaller objects that moves around it. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Dear children, unit number 2 is about India. In this you have learnt about this is my India, our beautiful country, some important cities of India, Indian villages, Festival of India. Isn't it, children? Dear children, India is a big and beautiful country. It is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the second most populated country in the world. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Dear children, India has 6 main physical divisions. First is the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal region, and the island regions. Children, India is the land of many festivals. We celebrate different kinds of festivals. The harvest festivals, religious festivals, and national days are celebrated in India. Dear children, the food we eat is one of our basic needs. We need food to live. It gives us energy and help us grow. The food we eat help our body to stay healthy and fight diseases. Dear children, traveling is an important part of our lives. We use various kinds of vehicles to travel and carry things from one place to another. These vehicles are called means of transport. Means of transport. The various means of transport can be placed under 3 main categories: means of land transport, means of water transport, means of air transport. Children, this is all about previous class topics. Let us move to get brief introduction about this year textbook. Dear children, this is yours this year means the 4th standard textbook. Name of the textbook is The World Around Us. Dear children, this book has 6 units. First unit is My Country. First unit is about my country. In this unit, some topics are there. Dear children, unit number 1 is My Country. It has some sub-units like our national symbols, our natural and cultural heritage, my country and its landscape. Children, unit number 2 is about landform. In this, you will study about the northern mountains and northern plains, the plateau and desert regions, the coastal plains and the islands. Dear children, unit number 3 is about soil and climate. In this lesson, you will study about the climate of our country, soils of India. Dear children, unit number 4 is about resources. In this, we are going to understand about our water resources, our forest and wildlife resources, our mineral resources, our energy resources. Dear children, unit number 5 is about how we live. In this unit, you will understand that our agriculture, our industries, transport and communication. Children, last unit number 6 is about our past and present. In this, you will learn passage of time, organization that help us, local self-government, rights and duties. Dear children, this is all about first standard portion, which you will study in upcoming online classes. Children, I hope all of you attend these online classes and get knowledge. All the best.